Welcome to the advanced guide to Axie Infinity Ronin bridge tutorial. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game, and the Ronin bridge is a critical component that allows for seamless transfer of assets between the Ethereum and Ronin networks. To get started, you need to have an Axie Infinity account and a MetaMask wallet. The Ronin bridge is a user-friendly interface that enables you to transfer assets such as AXS, SLP, and ETH between the two networks. First, navigate to the Ronin bridge website and connect your MetaMask wallet. Ensure that your MetaMask wallet is set to the Ethereum network. Then click on the Connect Wallet button and select MetaMask. Next, select the asset you want to transfer and the amount. Then confirm the transaction. The bridge will then initiate the transfer process, which typically takes a few minutes to complete. It is essential to note that there are gas fees associated with transferring assets across the bridge. These fees are paid in ETH and are used to validate transactions on the Ethereum network. Best practices for using the Ronin bridge include ensuring you have sufficient ETH in your wallet to cover gas fees, monitoring the status of your transactions, and being aware of the minimum and maximum transfer limits. Additionally, always verify the transaction details before confirming, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently transfer assets between the Ethereum and Ronin networks using the Axie Infinity Ronin bridge. This will enable you to participate fully in the Axie Infinity ecosystem and maximize your gaming experience. In conclusion, the Ronin bridge is a powerful tool that streamlines asset transfer between the Ethereum and Ronin networks. By understanding how to use the bridge effectively, you can enhance your Axie Infinity experience and make the most of the game's features.